When the sky forgets your name and every road feels cold, when the silence speaks too loud, you don't have to face it alone. If the world becomes too heavy, if your heart can't find the light, let me be your rain, falling soft across your soul. Let me wash away the hurt you've carried for so long. Let me be your rain when your tears refuse to fall. I'll be there through every storm until your heart can bloom again. Every wound can learn to heal. Every night will greet the dawn. Take my hand and close your eyes. You don't have to be this strong. One gentle drop can wake the earth. One faithful heart can change a life. Let me be your rain, falling softly over you. Every drop a whispered prayer, every dream made new. Until the clouds have passed away, and when the sun begins to shine, you'll know I never walked away. Let me be